again, welcome to our Dear Faces new ambassador. How about a quick hello to everybody? How are you feeling? I know it's been very, very hot the past couple of days. Pati kanina nung naglalakad ka papasok alam ko sobrang init na. Kamusta naman the past couple of days for you?
Well, wala tayong choice sa Philippines tayo.
Sure.
Mainit talaga dito sa Philippines. Pero as long as blooming naman ako dahil sa beauty milk, okay lang naman. Kine-carry ko yung heat.
There you have it. Now, if you do have any questions for Andrea Brillantes, we are joined by a couple of guests as well as friends from the media. We will be hearing from you as well. But for now, I'd like to invite Miss Jonah and Andrea. Come on, be comfortable, sit down. We're going to open the floor to our media partners. Okay? If you have any questions for Andrea, bakit siya ganito ka-blooming? Meron ba okay, mamaya na yon. May magtatanong noon on our behalf. But anyway, opening the floor and saying hello to Kate Adahar of Random Republica to start our Q&A portion with Miss Jonah and of course, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Both of you can answer, by the way. Here you go.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations, Andrea. And question ko is, it was mentioned earlier with Miss Jonah that you've been drinking beauty milk even before you were not sure. So, ano yung story behind it? How did you discover it? And then why were you doing it?
Nung una ko po kasi siya nakita sa feed ko, honestly, parang na-curious ako and natuwa ako kasi it's two things that I love, which is milk. Mahilig po kasi talaga, magatas po talaga ako kapag bago matulog. And pangalawa, mahilig ako sa mga bagay na nakakapagpaganda sa atin. So, syempre nung nakita ko na, oh my gosh, ano siya, flavored milk. Tapos, nakakapagpaganda pa siya. It has collagen. Tapos, ang dami kasi nagsasabi na nakakatulong din siya, hindi lang magpaganda ng skin, at saka hindi lang siya para anti-aging, nakakatulong din siya makapag-sleep. So, tinetake ko din po siya before ako matulog. So, ever since noon, in-order ko siya, tapos nung tinry ko, ang sarap-sarap niya. So, of course, naubos na siya agad. Naubos na siya agad. So, nag-order ulit ako. Tapos, parang, every day, every night na ilang months na po ako user. Actually, mag-1 year na po yata akong gumagamit bago pa ako nakuha ni Miss Jonah. So, yeah.
How did she find it?
Oh, well, it's because of Bea Boren.
Yes!
The best friend.
Bea.
Si Bea kasi before, nakita lang din namin siya sa TikTok and then tinama namin siya because she was drinking beauty milk. And then eventually, kinuwento niya na ako, ate, meron din akong friend na umiinom ng beauty milk. Ganyan. Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung sino. And then one lunch date, nag-date kami ni Bea. And then she said, you know, Andrea Blythe is drinking your beauty milk. And I was so kilig. Sabi ko, wow. Tapos from then on, parang hindi na ako napakali. Gusto ko siyang kunin kasi she represents talaga beauty milk and also the Dear Face.
There you have it. She does represent beauty milk rather, and we are so happy that she is here with us at the moment and for the next couple of, I don't know, but hey, keeping it going to Jojo Panaligan of Rider PH.
Hello po.
Hi, Andrea. Congrats.
Thank you.
Gaano mo na nakatagal ko ginagamit itong beauty milk? Pati, specifically, ano napansin mo sa skin mo when you started using it?
Tulad po na sabi ko kanina, I think magwa 1 year na po, or baka, hindi, naka 1 year na ako. Kasi this time last year ko siya na-discover. Kasi, nag-start siya sa, gusto ko lang maging mas maganda. At saka gusto ko makatulog. So, tapos, nag-discover ko siya this time last year. Tapos yun nga, parang nakita ko agad yung effects niya. Nag-start siya sa, napansin ko, mas mahimbing yung tulog ko. Tapos kinaumagahan, parang mas glowing ako, parang mas blooming ako, ganyan. Tapos nakakatulog. Collagen kasi is protein siya. I think 30% of our body yata meron nun. So kailangan talaga natin siya. Yes, alam ko ang collagen. Tapos nakakatulong din siya sa anti-aging. Marami po siyang benefits. So ako, kinontinue ko lang siya lagi. Tapos lagi ako nasasabihan na, uy, parang ang blooming mo ngayon. Tapos lagi ko sinasabi, ito kasi lagi ko tinitake. Consistent po talaga ako. Ever since tinatry ko siya. Kahit po pumupunta ako sa ibang bansa, dala-dala ko po siya sa maleta ko. And alam niyo ng ate ko, alam niyo ni Bea, nag-start din siya na nag-order ako. Tapos, kasi lagi ko siya nauubos. So, minsan kumukuha ko ng stocks ni Bea. So, minsan humihingi na siya po. Yun po. Dami ko agad kinento. Thank you.
There you have it. Keeping the ball rolling though. Josephine Bonsal of josephinebonsal.com.
Hi po!
Hello! Congratulations,
Thank you po.
Vlad.
Thank you.
It's real. Kasi nasundan ka namin mula ng bata ka pa.
Ah.
Did you dream of endorsing a beauty film?
Yes! Yes, nung malaki po kasi influence talaga ng friend ko. So, pag nakikita ko, lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, sana kunin nila ako kasi gumagamit talaga ako. At saka bilang endorser po kasi parang yun yung pinakagusto mo sana, yung lagi mong ginagamit ay kunin ka para mas effective at saka alam mo yun, mas proud ka na ini-endorse mo yung bagay na to. So ako gusto ko po talaga, tsaka kasi para makasave din ako kasi parang 3 times a month ko ako bumibili. So parang meron na din po ako sariling stock. So ayun. So gusto ko po talaga sana makuha ako ng Dear Face kaya super happy ako na party na ako ngayon. Parang na-manifest ko po siya. Kaya kayo tumigil nag-manifest. 1 year din ako nag-manifest.
1 year more.
Opo, 1 year din ako order ng order.
Miss Jonah though, piggybacking off of that, when was like the, oh my gosh, kailangan natin kunin si Andrea Brillantes? When was that like snap?
Well, actually, it was a random. Bea and I were doing a vlog. And then it was a random parang question na parang, si Blight ba? Is she endorsing Palazen? Ganyan. Sabi niya, from Bea Morris, naku ate! Sabi gano'n. She's using beauty milk and she's getting stocks from me. Gano'n.
Kopya niyo po si
Yeah, kabisado na natin si Bea. But from then, actually, I was really shocked kasi it's actually blind and you know it's I was happy knowing that real people uses beauty milk and that's not because they are endorsing it but because they're loving the effect. So yun yung parang actually that's the stand of Dear Face also and also the beauty milk na we're getting influencers, KOL celebrities because they are using our products, not because we want them to use our products. That's the other way around. And in Dear Face, we always live in honesty. So, pagka sinabi namin, gumagamit talaga siya. So, our past influencers and endorsers as well, they use beauty milk prior us tapping them. So, yeah, super proud lang.
Tsaka ang sarap din kasi talaga niya. Na-try niyo na ba? Try niyo, ang sarap niya.
Diba? Very perfect talaga. Perfect for Dear Face and Beauty Milk. But we are down to the last 2 questions from our media partners, the Miss Dina Jan of Business Mirror.
Hello po.
My question to Andre is, I'm sure you have many offers for endorsements and ambassadorships. Why, aside from you already using it, what is it about the brand that you like? Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa brand aside from yung lasa and the effects it has?
Well, I think dahil naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product and I think that's enough reason para gustuhin ko po talagang i-endorse yung product ng Dear Face kasi naniniwala po ako sa effects niya kasi gumana naman siya sa akin, sabi ko naman po. So ayun po, naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product ng beauty milk ng Dear Face kaya gusto ko po talaga siya ma-endorse. Tsaka ayun, gusto ko kasi talaga siya. Thank you po.
Down to the last question though, from John Bueno of kumagkao.com.
Hi, Mary. How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you.
I've seen you in, of course, previous endorsements now. What makes this stand out for you, the brand?
beauty industry din po ako.
Yes.
Very involved ako sa anything kikay, ganyan. So, nung nakita ko to, parang it's refreshing to my eyes din na parang gatas na nagpapaganda, may benefits, hindi lang sa pagpapaganda, kundi sa mismong body mo as well as sa health mo. At nakaka-glow, nakaka-whitening, nakaka-slimming. So, parang all-in-one siyang product. So, parang bago lang siya for me. Kaya, yun yung tingin ko na parang nag-boost sa product ko. Bakit iba siya sa iba po yun.
But can you make kwento siguro? How do you take beauty milk per se?
Every night. Every night po ako. At may one time pa nga na nag-try ako mag-diet. So, medyo nagbawas ako ng sweets. Ito na yung naging sweets ko kasi ang tamis niya. So, parang every night ito na yung parang ginagawa kong dessert actually. So, every night nagtitake po ako ng isa. Kapag nakakalimutan ko po sa gabi kasi minsan pagod po from taping, nagtitake po ako sa morning. Una ko po siyang tinitake sa morning. Tapos bago po matulog, ito po yung last kong tinitake. Minsan twice, minsan once a day lang po. Depende kung gaano ako kapagod or kaya kapag alam kong super pagod ako and meron akong event kinabukasan, nagta-twice a day po ako para mas glowing ako kinabukas. Mas may konting mas blooming ako sa event ko. Kasi syempre pag pagod tayo, hindi natin may iwasan na minsan maski tayo eye bags natin o kaya mas dull yung skin natin. Kahit hindi naman normally ganun, pero dahil napagod tayo, kailangan natin ng konting push. So, nagta-twice a day ako. Thank you!
There you have it. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome